Speaking very candidly, I think that we are at the very start of AI dev tools, and definitely even earlier on agentic software engineering tools. We kind of embed on a vector space very closely at the moment because people have not really dug into how to utilize the slight differences in different tools. But I think in a long enough time frame, I think that we inevitably go in different directions. You know, we are big fans of AI-enabled IDEs internally. They're wonderful, right? The coding experience as a developer has dramatically improved even in the last year or two. And I think that's just going to get better. But there is fundamental constraints of being on device, right? And on the other end, I think there are competitors in this space that are trying to become super apps, right? This idea of it's a subscription that you go in and you do everything. I think that the super app side, it will always be super convenient as a first port of call, right? If you have something in your mind, if you want to do something very quickly or just have a quick reference, that should be where you go. But actually, I think just like a software engineer would tell you, it isn't simply about writing code that has good syntax, right? Like good code is beyond just what is in a textbook. And I think those intricacies and those nuances and the fact of what is the difference between mergeable code, right? So it's acceptable and passes CI and all that stuff and looks good, it passes the smell test, to what is accepted by whoever's reviewing your code or your CTO, is what's going to differentiate, I guess, what we do and what we think some of our competitors are doing. I think what we do is that we focus on the minutiae, the details, the ability for the AI to really understand the code like a human, to navigate code bases is unfamiliar no matter how large, and really take that feedback on and continue. We are developers building for other developers. We know the obsession and the eye for detail that we need, and we want to continue going that direction.